Hello, in this video we are going to convert the original video into 2D cartoonic style by using the EbSynth AI. So first of all, I will show the original video. So this is an original video. So if you open, now you can see this is an original video. So now we will convert this into 2D cartoonic style. And first of all, what the thing is, we need to convert this video into sequence because the EbSynth will support the sequence files. So we need to convert this. So if you want to convert into sequence files, we can use the Premiere Pro. I will show that how to convert into sequence file. So just we will open Premiere Pro and take a new project file and just you set the location. So for time being, I will set the location to desktop. So let's say, and just give some name and click on create. So now import that video. So just I will drag that video here. Now create a sequence, just drag into the timeline. Okay. So now we have to export this as a sequence file. So in order to export, just we need to select the sequence and we have to press Ctrl M, or else we have to go to File, Export, Media. So here you have to select the JPEG sequence or PNG sequence. So in the render settings. So just if I go to the format and here I can select JPEG and select the location. For time being, I will set onto desktop and just make sure you create from folder. So just I will create a folder and just you have to click on this export. As I have exported previously, so just I will cancel it and I will show the sequence file. So now this is a sequence file which I have converted from video. So now what the thing is, we need to use one mobile app so that we can convert the image into like 2D cartoonic style before actual process. So what the thing is, just in this sequence, you select any one image and you have to open that image in mobile and you have to convert into 2D cartoonic style. So just I will select the first frame. Okay. So this is a first frame like U1 000. It 000 is nothing but it's like a starting frame. And I will copy this image into mobile and I will show you how to convert into 2D cartoonic style. So I will go to the mobile. So here we have to install Gradient Face Beauty Editor. So in this case, I have already installed. So just I will open this. And now we have to click on this editor. And here we have to click on this try style. So just you have to click on this try style. And here we have to select the image which you have copied from the system. So in this case, this is a image which I have copied from the system. Like as I said, like we have copied the first frame. So now this image we have to convert into 2D cartoonic style. So here you can go like see, like you can select this cartoon beauty. So see now this image has been converted into cartoon beauty. So we have to click on this apply and we have to save it. So in my case, I have already saved it and I will show that in my system. So this is the image which I have converted in the mobile here. So if I open, see now I have converted only one frame. So now what the thing is, by using this frame, we will convert entire video into cartoonic shade. So I will show that. And also see when we like convert this into 2D cartoonic style, here you will get the watermark for this like gradient tab. In case if you want to remove, you can remove this, because if you leave it in this way, when you convert this total into 2D cartoonic style, so the gradient app watermark will be shown in the entire video. So if in case if you want to remove this, we can do one thing, like we can open this in Photoshop. So file, open with Photoshop. So first what I will do is I will make a rectangular selection. So just I can use a rectangular selection. So now in order to remove this, we can use this like we can go to edit and there is an option like content aware fill. So you can click on this. And what the thing is, just you can directly click on apply. So see now it has been removed. So I will click on OK. So now see the logo has been removed. Now we have to save this image. I will go to file, export as, And make sure here you have to save with the same resolution, because the resolution should not change, because whenever you convert the image video into sequence, so we have converted into 1920 by 1080, and make sure this image also should have the same resolution. Sometimes what the thing is, when you convert the image in that gradient app, so sometimes it will downscale and it will change the resolution, so make sure you have to check that. So in my case this is fine, so 1920 by 1080 is okay, and we have to export this. So just in my case, I have already exported. Just I will click on cancel and I will close this. So this is a converted image. Now what the thing is, we have to download that software EbSynth. So we need to go to the website ebsynth.com. So here we have to download this software, and after downloading, just we need to like install this thing. So actually no need of install, just we need to double click here. So here now it will open the EbSynth. So now what the thing is, in this keyframe, we have to select the image which you have converted into 2D style. So we have to select that and just browse that image. So this is the single frame which I have converted. Just you have to click on open. And now here we have to select the sequence which you have converted in the Premiere Pro. So we have to select and go to the location, the sequence. So this is a sequence, and we have to select the first image and we have to click on open. And also if you go to this advanced option, and here you can click on this high quality. Okay, and also the render time depends on your system configuration and the quality of the images and also the length of the video. So here I will select this high quality, and just simple we have to click on this synth. And also here we can set the location. So if I select this and if I put into the this folder, let's say you can call it like output, and just you have to select that folder. And now we have to click on this synth. So if you click on this synth, now it will start rendering this image. So I will show that. See now, so if I go to that location, so if you go this and if you go to this OP, now see, now we got one image. So it will take some time. So you will get all the images frame by frame. So see, we got another image. So if I double click, now see this has been converted. So if you open this, now see you got the second frame. So for time being, I will stop this. So if you want to cancel, you can cancel, because I have already rendered this. So I will show that. So this is the output here. Now you can see, you can double click and you can see. So each and every image has been converted into 2D cartoonic style. And now what the thing is, this image again we have to convert into video, because this is an image sequence. Now if you want to play in mobiles or something, we cannot play all these images, so we need to convert this image into video. So I will show that in Premiere Pro. So just we need to open the Premiere Pro and just create a new project. And just now in project panel we have to open that sequence file. So double click. So just we need to go to that sequence file which I have converted. So this is the output. So select this and make sure we have to enable this image sequence, because if you are not enabling this, then it will load only the single image. So we have to enable the image sequence and click on first image and open. And just we need to drag and drop. So see now this has been converted into video. Now we need to export as a video. So simple, just we need to select the sequence, file, export, media. Just here we have to select the h.264. So in order to convert into video, and we have to set the location just anywhere, and just you have to give the name and we have to click on save. So save, and we have to click on this export. So now I will not export as I exported already. So I will show the exported file. So this is the final video which I have exported. So you can make this small transition like from original video to other video. You can use any apps. I have done this in like Premiere Pro. And also one thing I forgot to explain. So what the thing is, when you have converted one image into 2D cartoonic style, before browsing this in the EbSynth software, we need to put the frame number properly. Means like the one which you have converted into cartoonic style. So this one I have converted into cartoonic style. So make sure you can give any name, but the thing is, finally you have to put this frame number properly. So in this case, I have put the frame number 000. So you can see the converted image. I have put it to 000. Now you can browse this in the EbSynth software. And that's it for this video. And please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.